to the world, then the world would love you as its own. But I chose you from this world, and you do not belong to it. That is why the world hates you.
God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.